Hi guys, Angela here. Today I have an air plant hub box. It's a mystery order and I'm going to unbox it with you so you guys can see these beautiful new air plants that I have. I mean, I don't know they're beautiful, but I'm guessing they're beautiful. So I got these, let's see, on, I don't know, Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. I messaged the company and I just said, hey, you know, I don't know what to get. What do you recommend? Oh my gosh, okay. So here's the box. Let's see, sorry, it's bright in here. They have a Help Us Grow air plant hub. Once a month, they'll select a random customer who's like shared their stuff on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. And they'll select a winner for a free air plant greenhouse mix. So that's kind of cool. So they just have that in there. And then they have my order and it says air plant care. And so they give you a little bit of care guide for what to do with your plants, which is super helpful. Okay, so here's our box. It was pretty warm out today. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Look at these. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Okay, look at this huge box, you guys. Look at what we have. So I don't think they're labeled, which means they're probably a true mystery. So I'm gonna have to look each of them up. This is probably one of the biggest ones. I see flowers, you guys. Okay, look at this. It's a dusty green. It's gorgeous. You can tell it's super healthy right now. It's not brittle, it's very soft. When they get a little more brittle or kind of hard and rigid, that's when you know that they need water. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Okay. Oh, these are like separate. Oh, look at that. Okay, this guy probably needs a little water because he's looking a little weak, but I don't know how. He's like so delicate and fine. That's amazing. But you can tell he's still very supple. So, oh my gosh, like, it's just like layer upon layer upon layer, you guys. I don't even know how to pull them out of this. This is so incredible. So what did I order? I ordered like a mystery pack, like tier 2. I'll link it below. Look at this, it matches my shirt. Look at that pink and purple. Oh, that is gorgeous. Also, forgive my nails. We've been working out in the yard all day, so I've got like barely a manicure left. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't even right now. Look at this little guy. Look at him. So I feel like I have one like this. It's like a bulbosa, but it's, or like a Baileys, but it's fuzzy, so I'll have to look him up. Oh, he's cute. Okay, so that's 4 plants in, you guys. Oh, there's a couple more of these. So these are kind of like the other ones, but they're like miniature. Cute. These will be so good for gifting. I like that. Oh my gosh. You guys. Okay, so like we haven't even made a dent in this box yet. Look at this little thing. This looks like a sea urchin here. Look at that. You can't even pick it up. It's so fine and so delicate. Oh my gosh. This one might be one of my new favorites. Yeah. I don't know. I wish that these were kind of labeled so that I could, you know, like tell you what they are. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at this. Okay. Ooh. So this is like another bulbosa-ish one. But it has, oh, I can't get it to, okay, it's like brown specks. If you can even see it. Sorry, my camera just won't pick up on it. Oh, it's so beautiful though, you guys. Oh, I love this one. This one, okay, I take it back. That might be my favorite. There's so many. I can't believe how many plants are in here, you guys. I'm gonna have to find another way to display them all. Okay, so this is like a miniature version, not miniature, smaller version of the other one, like the first one that I pulled out. But it's obviously it's very different. Okay, looking even at the colors, this one kind of has a purpley hue to it. I didn't realize. See, this is why they're so fun. Like you'd think that they're all the same, but they are so not. Okay, so here's our box, guys. We are like still plugging away here. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous this is. Beautiful pink flower. I can't believe it. But look at the base on this one. Like, look how straight that is. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, if you guys can even see, here's my loot down here. We're doing pretty good. I've got the kids yelling for me in the bathtub. Okay, let me go check on them. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm so glad that you guys stuck around. Okay, let's keep going here. Look at this. Okay, oh my gosh, this is like a medium size. So we have like the large, the medium, and then the small. But they are each so unique in their own. And they all have a little different color. You can't quite pick it up. But they are just gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. All of my friends, you guys are going to be getting some of these for Christmas. So I hope you're excited. Okay, you guys, it's not even done yet. Okay, what else do we have in here? Yes. Yes, I had one of these before and Steve ate it. I forget what it's called, but look how gorgeous that is. It's just straight. I love that. So when you put this next to this, it has such a different dynamic, right? And then you throw in like this clump of something. Oh, they're totally different. Okay, you guys are gonna have to find my next video because I'm gonna have to get all of these together on the wall, right? So you can see them. Look at this one. It has like burgundy tips. Oh, you probably can't see that on the video camera, but it's gorgeous. Oh, it's gorgeous. I just got a text. Dan says he'll be home in 15 minutes, meaning I've got 15 minutes to hide the evidence. Just kidding. He knows about this. I told him I was so excited. I messaged Air Plant Hub and I said, tell me what should I get? And they said, one of the mystery boxes. You guys, they do not disappoint. Okay, this is like a Medusa or something like that. Very like squishy down here. I had one, Steve ate it, it died. This one is even more beautiful than that one. Look how big it is. This is like grand. It's just grand. It's like Maleficent. Ooh, that's what this one's like. I just think these are so great. This one has like a little bit of like fuzziness to it too. It's so precious. But yeah, no, I told Dan that I was going to be doing this and he was so supportive. He was like, you treat yourself, girl. But also we need to fill up that, that frame that he made for me. Okay, we're still going here. It looks like I have 4 more plants. Look at this little guy. Oh my gosh, so cute. I don't have any that are like him. He's coming straight out of the bottom. This is probably something, when you guys get into air plants, something that you'll appreciate is how each individual, not just the variety or the species, look at that. Not how each individual like species isn't unique, but like how each individual plant, I mean, like, oh, look at this. How can you not appreciate that? Like how nature can be so gorgeous. And look, I have this because I'm still just in awe. I bought this shark fin Sansevieria yesterday and I've been just staring at it all day. But like nature, you guys, can't you just, this is why plant people are my favorite, because they can just enjoy the true beauty of life. Like, who doesn't want to live in this world, Okay, 15 minutes, Angela, 15 minutes. I got another flowery one. This is my 3rd flower, you guys. This is gorgeous. Oh, look at that, a beautiful pink. So here's like this one was like a bright pink, and then here, they did not disappoint. I forget what the guy's name was. I feel so bad. I should have looked it up. It was like Dustin or something. He was so kind, and he recommended, this mystery box. There's like 3 tiers. There's like a tier 10, like a tier 25. I got the 25, and then the tier 100. I can't even imagine what that is, because this is like it. So if you want to get into air plants, I would totally recommend, I'm not paid to do this, I would totally recommend this. Look at this. Here we go. One more. Oh, this guy. So here's the base, and he's kind of growing off to the side like that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So like I said, I did the $25 one here. Let me count up how many plants I have. You can count with me. We'll come down here. Okay. Sorry, I just kind of made a mess. I threw them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we'll say 16, but there's actually like 4 plants in that one. That's incredible, you guys. So they say that when you do a mystery pack like this, it's always going to be the value of at least what you paid for. I mean, 15 items here at $4 a piece, that's like minimum, right? That'd be like $60 worth of product, you guys. And let me tell you, they're not selling this for $4. This is probably like an $8 or $10 minimum, right? I can't believe it. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Tomorrow, my project is definitely going to be to get these up on that frame. Check out that video if you haven't, so you can see the before. This will be the after once I get them all put up. And then I do also have in that video, I talk about giving them a bath and how I care for them. It's basically just once a week or every 2 weeks, I give them a bath in the sink. Super simple, and it's produced babies. I've had flowers, so it seems to be working for me. Okay, that's it. I gotta clean this up before Dan gets home. But thank you guys again so much for tuning in. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, tell me what air plants you have, or if I've inspired you to start collecting. I just think that these are so amazing, and I'm so happy that I have them. I can't believe it. This was such a good buy. $25, so worth it. Shipping was super fast. I could go on and on, but I'm not going to. So have a great evening, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.